If you are passionate about looking after children, then you should consider starting a childcare business looking after other people's children while they are at work. With more and more families having two working parents, there is a booming demand for childcare. And you know one thing, this is the perfect business for stay at home parents, as you can run it from your own home with some minor adjustments for child safety and proper hygiene. Or you can work from people's homes it preferred, though this will limit you to one or a few clients. And you know one thing, to get started, you will need to be or become a registered childminder and have an up to date DBS check, formerly CRB. You will also need to create a schedule, series of activities, and provision of catering. Be careful of food allergies. In terms of marketing your childcare business, you should outreach to local pre and primary schools to advertise your services to parents, and you can also partner with local nurseries to deal with their overflow. To expand your childcare services, once established, you may also consider opening up a day nursery for children of different ages. And you will be expected to provide a basic educational program, refreshments, and fun activities. In most cases, there is also a trend for outdoor nurseries and run activities with children in the countryside or woods.